The Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolitan Assembly in the Western Region says it will prosecute 3 food vendors found to have flouted food safety protocols during an inspection exercise. The exercise comes on the back of recent food poisoning detected in Takoradi, where a popular wachi joint was also closed down after some persons suffered stomach ache after eating the delicacy. Our Western Regional correspondent Annim has more in this report.
In the wake of last month's food poisoning in Takoradi, where 4 persons were hospitalized after eating from a public place, the Sekondi-Takoradi Metropolitan Assembly has intensified its monitoring and enforcement of food safety at public eateries. On Thursday, September 29th, the Sekondi-Takoradi Metro Environmental Health Officer Abdul Karim Hudu, leading a team, first inspected this public toilet at Amanfo East in Takoradi, which is close to a fish smoking house. Unfortunately, the facility was found emptying human excreta into the open drain, causing nuisance to its neighbors. The facility was shut down, as well as another toilet facility at the Cape Station in Takoradi, found in a similar situation. Also at the Cape Station in Takoradi, this Banku vendor, together with a food joint, were found selling under unhygienic condition. Although the team ensured the disposal of the food, that did not stop the assembly from serving them with a letter to appear in court.
The food seller here has no medical certificate of food vendors certificate, meaning he has not gone for screening, because what she is telling us is that it is in the house, and we know as a driver, wherever you are going, you have your license. He has no license, so we have taken action against her. She will stop operating until she finishes all the medical screening before she will start. The second one is that when we came, the food, that is the soup and other items, were exposed to flies. You could see that flies were hovering on the food that they sell to the public. So we have told them instantly to pour the soup away.
Davi Amateur Bar, a popular food joint in Takoradi, the Metro Environmental Health team found their kitchen to be unhygienic, leading to its shutdown. The eatery is also liable for prosecution. The team also gave Best Western Atlantic Hotel, a 4-star hotel, 14 days to face its beverage store or face prosecution. The environmental health officer gave a summary of its operation and the actions to be taken.
We have closed down 4 facilities, food joints, and then a chop bar, or is it a restaurant, that we have closed down, because what we have seen inside is very applauding. So we have locked them and then we have closed them. Then 3 notices have been given out to, example is like Atlantic Hotel. We have given a notice giving them 2 weeks to seal an area which is leaking, which contains items in the store.
The coordinating director for the Takoradi Sub Metro, Nana Asempaneye, spoke to City News on the sustainability measure for the exercise.
Essentially, we just want the general public to know that in Sekondi-Takoradi, the Metropolitan Assembly also has its bylaws that it operates with as far as environmental, hygiene and others are concerned. So we cannot say that the impact has been good, but you know that as we went around, a number of places that people who do not comply with our regulations have had their premises closed. And we are hoping that people who are also watching would also put their houses in order. Like it is, we went to some places and they are like, you never told us we were coming. No, we are not supposed to tell you that we are coming. Just as Christ will come without informing the world.
For the Takoradi Sub Metro, such inspection of toilet facilities and eatery joint within the Takoradi Metropolis will continue to be done from day to day. For City News, I'm Takoradi.